is Easy Tricks. $180, yeah. I've named my scooter the Razor Boobs. Easy wheels, missing a grip. Front wheel folds down. Oh, it's an old Razor Boobs, but that's the deck. Small grip, fit your shoe, just like do wheelies and stuff. Pretty easy going.
I do 180 on and FAIL.
He's doing an FAIL, which is fail.
Ready? Okay, you have to like go back and point the camera at me so it can actually like see me.
Yeah.
Right there, Michael. There.
Boner in my pants.
Ready, Michael?
What was that?
Now I'm gonna turn you.
It's been a minute. Hi.
Okay, we're done.
We're done? Okay, we gotta do. What's your name again? No, that's mine. I just called
Okay,
mine.
let me do
Razor.
This is the razor
Vagina.
Look at that. Ooh, razor.
Look at that blood streaming down that vagina.
Look at those two grips. Ooh, look at that razor sign. Just look at that dick. That's amazing.
That deck. Look it looks like there's blood coming out of the vagina, just like the name. The Razor Vagina. Here comes the Razor Boobs.